Welcome to Car Culture. In today's video, we're diving deep into the exciting new 2025 Tesla Model S. This all-electric powerhouse continues to push the boundaries of performance, technology, and design. Let us explore what makes the 2025 Model S a standout in the electric vehicle market. Tesla has always been a leader in automotive technology, and the 2025 Model S takes it even further. Equipped with the latest version of Tesla's full self-driving FSD software, this vehicle brings a new level of autonomy to the road. With enhanced sensors, cameras, and a more refined AI system, the Model S can navigate highways, recognize traffic signals, and even handle complex city driving scenarios with minimal input from the driver. While full autonomy isn't yet legal everywhere, the progress Tesla has made with its FSD capabilities is certainly impressive. Additionally, the 2025 Model S comes with a large, intuitive touchscreen interface that controls nearly every aspect of the car, from climate control to navigation. The interface is faster and more responsive than ever, thanks to a new processing unit that offers smoother transitions between apps and more precise voice command recognition. Plus, over-the-air updates mean the car can continuously improve itself without the need to visit a dealership, adding new features and enhancing performance over time. Tesla has kept the sleek, modern design language that has become synonymous with the brand. The 2025 Model S features a refined exterior that blends elegance with aerodynamics. The clean lines and minimalist aesthetic are immediately recognizable, but subtle changes such as a slightly more aggressive front fascia and sharper lines on the rear give the car a fresh, dynamic look. It's still the timeless silhouette that's hard to mistake for anything else on the road, but with enhancements that make it feel just a bit more futuristic. Tesla's design team has also focused on improving aerodynamics to help enhance range and performance. The 2025 Model S has a lower drag coefficient, which helps it cut through the air more efficiently, contributing to both better range and improved handling. This vehicle is as much about efficiency as it is about style, and Tesla's design improvements reflect that balance. One of the most significant upgrades in the 2025 Model S is its battery technology. Tesla has refined its battery cells, resulting in higher energy density and improved efficiency. This translates to an impressive increase in range, with the long-range version now offering over 400 miles on a single charge, depending on driving conditions and usage. This substantial range increase means you can drive longer without worrying about charging, making road trips more convenient than ever. Additionally, Tesla's supercharger network continues to expand, ensuring that long-distance drivers can easily find a charging station along their route. The 2025 Model S supports faster charging times, with the ability to recover hundreds of miles of range in just a short 15-minute charging session at a supercharger station. The 2025 Model S is also a performance beast, with the Plaid variant continuing to deliver mind-boggling acceleration and top-tier driving dynamics. The tri-motor setup in the Plaid model produces over 1,000 horsepower, propelling the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. Making it one of the fastest production cars in the world. This level of performance isn't just about straight-line speed. The Model S also excels in cornering, thanks to its adaptive air suspension and advanced torque vectoring system. For those who prefer a more balanced approach, the standard long-range version offers impressive power while maintaining a focus on comfort and efficiency. Whether you're looking for thrilling acceleration or a smooth, long-distance ride, the 2025 Model S offers both in spades. The 2025 Tesla Model S is a remarkable vehicle that continues to set the standard for what an electric car can be. With cutting-edge technology, impressive performance, and a design that's both futuristic and functional, the Model S remains one of the best electric cars on the market. Tesla has once again raised the bar, and it will be exciting to see how the competition responds. If you're in the market for an electric vehicle that combines performance, luxury, and innovation, the 2025 Model S is certainly worth considering. Thanks for watching Car Culture. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and automotive news.